Yo, what's good to you guys? It's your boy 843 Fishing here on today's video. Your boy going solo today. So I'm out here, my little honey hole with the yak today. And we're gonna see out here. We'll get out. Well, we out here today. Gonna see what we can get on. We had a little rain yesterday, so hopefully kind of get the fish turned on. See the fish gonna bite, man. See what we can get on, man. Hopefully your boy come out here and break his pee today. All I gotta say is like, subscribe, and enjoy this video, dog. Make sure I give y'all a good banger today. I'm out. All right, y'all. We had to switch up the spot. First spot we went to when they weren't hitting on that. So I'm at my next spot. It's another spot I don't never take my to. So we gotta get out here, catch a fish. Hopefully, out here, I can do some damage. I can do some damage out here. So yeah, we're gonna see what we can get on. Maybe one great of a day. Good. So we got this one. So we didn't get it. So we were recording, but we got one. Also, man. Good Lord. I got you on deck. Let's see. Good little fatty. I knew I was that song, so I threw right up in there. Boom. We ain't even 3 pounds, it's just a 2. But I threw it right up in them bracelets. Jerk, jerk. Oh man, that's a little small. I need a big girl. Oh man, I'm getting these little small. I want a big girl, man. fishing. So 2 back there. 1 over there. Could just pop out the water like Green River. Oh God, could just pop out the water. Alright, so look y'all, so when we first started the day, the first venture was not successful, but boy, I came out to the second spot. Oh my God. Man, look, your boy was slim, dog. Straight slim. Told you I was gonna give y'all a good bang of the day, dog. I'm telling you. Man, look, all I gotta say is, man, hey, look, like, subscribe, enjoy this video, dog. I'm out. Make sure you also share this video.